I'm Greg Fuller. I'm the president at Stainless Works Metal Fab Group and Reaper Off-Road. We specialize in headers and exhaust. It's all thin wall 304 stainless steel, top of the line, performance, late model. We really pride ourselves in the quality and the fitment of our product, and we like to introduce these welders to an environment where they can adapt and learn to provide, the greatest quality headers and exhausts that we can offer the market. It's no secret that there is definitely a labor shortage, and we're seeing it firsthand. What we've done over the past couple months to the past year to try and adapt with that is bring in kids just like OTC coming out of technical college and being able to learn and adapt and really work in an environment where we can provide them with the tools to be able to weld thin wall stainless steel. We know that coming from technical college, maybe you don't have the experience to weld some of this thin wall stainless steel, but now we're willing to work with a lot of these kids and train them up to be the top line industry standard which Stainless Works provides. I was really impressed with the class. These kids are wondering about the advancement within the company. We really pride ourselves in being able to take somebody with a little bit of experience and provide them with the tools to advance themselves and their brand and be able to be the leader that they are within Stainless Works. Find us at stainlessworks.net and email careers@stainlessworks.net. Send us your resume and we will shoot you an email or get back with you for set up a time for an interview.